Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create editable PDFs that students can interact with on Google Classroom or any other online platform. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave any questions in the comment section below. I'll be sure to get back to you.
First, you need to open up the document that you want to convert. So here I have a Unit 15 vocabulary document in a PDF form. And what I want to do is first expand this, and I'm going to take a screenshot of the worksheet that I want to convert. So on a PC, that involves using the snipping tool, and on a Mac, that involves doing Command-Shift-4. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to take a screenshot of this page right here. And I'm also going to take a screenshot of this first page. And as I do that, the screenshot is going to get saved here in the corner. It's going to go to the desktop. So you can see there's one screenshot here and then one screenshot here. The next step is to open up a new Google Slides presentation and change the size of the slide. So you're going to go to Page Setup, Custom, and change this to 8.5 by 11. That is a standard sheet of paper. So it's going to look like this. And I'm going to go ahead and get rid of everything that is on here. Click Background, choose Image, Browse. And on your desktop, you should find the screenshot that you want, and you're going to open that. And that inserts your document as a background on this slide. And as you can see, I can't move it around and I can't edit it yet. So I'll show you how to do that in just a second. I'm going to add another slide here and get rid of everything and change the background and add that second page that I wanted to use. So now you have two slides that have your assignment on them. The next step is to create tools that the students can use to actually complete the assignments. If you want to add directions to your assignment, you can click the text box and create one off to the side. Students will still see it in this Google Slides presentation. And so here I'm going to create a couple of circles that students can actually manipulate and move around. So I'm going to go to this tool here, the shapes, and I'm going to click circle. And I'm going to create a circle that's about that big. And you can change the colors and the thickness of the line if you want to. And I'm going to click Command C and Command V to make multiple copies of this circle. Just like that. So now when students are working on this assignment, they will drag the circle to identify the root of each word, just like this. And they can change the size of the circle if they want to. They can make it bigger, they can make it smaller. It's totally up to them. So that's one way you can create movable pieces in your assignment. On this page, students need to be able to fill in the blanks. So I'm going to click the text box, and on each blank, I'm going to create a little text box like that. And I'm just going to take it and copy it and paste it so that I can put one down here. And in every blank on every line, I'm going to insert that text box. So students just have to click in there and then they can write their answer in. So as you can see here, all you just do is click there and you write the answer in like that. And students can then respond to this worksheet digitally. And just like I did on the previous slide, I can use a text box to give students directions. And down here, I can say, use the circles to answer the following questions. And here again, I can paste all the circles from the previous slide and move them down here so that students can answer these questions using these circles. Creating assignments like this also allows students to practice their metacognitive skills so that they can reflect upon how they completed an assignment. For example, I could take another text box and right over here, I could ask students to write a reflection. Describe how you used context clues to answer the questions on this assignment. And so here, students can start to reflect about the strategies that they were using to complete this vocabulary assignment. This method also has some pretty great implications for high-level literary analysis. Here I've created a new Google Slides presentation, and in the background, I have inserted a story about the Egyptian god Osiris. I'm going to create a text box. And so what you can do is you can make these text boxes where students respond within the assignment itself with the text right next to where they're going to respond. Here I'm asking students to highlight some text evidence of foreshadowing. So I'm going to create a shape a rectangle that almost looks like it's a highlight. I'm going to change it to yellow, and I'm going to go to custom and make it a little bit transparent so that you can see through it, just like that. And then I'm going to take that and make copies of it, just like this. So when students want to find text evidence of foreshadowing, they just move the box over and they can highlight one sentence if they want to. They can move it around. If they wanted to, they could highlight an entire paragraph and then explain how that paragraph shows foreshadowing. If you want students to explain their reasoning, I would just add here, explain your reasoning. If your students want to annotate the text, they simply create a text box right here and they put it next to the paragraph they want to talk about, and they can type their response here. Similarly, if I have any application questions, I can include them on the document as well. And so after students read the story, they can easily respond to it within the assignment itself. Once you have finished creating your assignment, the next step is to simply go to your Google Classroom and post the assignment. You will go to Classwork, Create, Assignment, and all you have to do is click Add, and you'll click Google Drive and find the assignment that you just made. I'm going to post the vocabulary one. I'm going to click Insert. And then you want to make sure that you click this sharing setting right here and click make a copy for each student. That way, when your students click on this, it will automatically create a copy for them that they can manipulate. And then you will be able to see all of your students' work in one location.
So I hope this video helps you convert all of your assignments into an editable format that is ready for distance learning. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.